Wow, a lot of balloons. That's like there's a lot. More than I expected.
Festival to Sonoma, Summit State Bank, over Sonoma, Quest Forward High School, Independent Enterprises, Sonoma County Visitors, Big Mass Media, Cottingtown, and Trader Joe's. Thank you to our sponsors. Glow, we're going to start with our special shapes and have it move like a wave down the field. All right, special shapes, are you ready? Are your balloons ready? Here we go. In 3. All right, on. Give it a cheer. Right next to Brian is Pilot David Gunnery with Fire Dog. Let's give him a blow. Good morning. Excellent. And let's see, how about from Jim Campbell with Fire Dancer? Give us a glow. Good morning. Good morning. Standing out there. Stable. Good morning. We also have Kylie Reeder with Desert Drifter. This balloon is from Smartsville. Good morning. All right, towards the back of the field with a balloon out of Cathedral City. What a gorgeous balloon there. That is Justin Kinzinger. Good morning, Justin. And also a glow from the Remax balloon. That is Dave Wakefield. Good morning. And then a big cheer so she can hear us at the back of the field. That white and rainbow balloon with Russ and Kay James. That is Worker. Good morning. 2, 1, go! Let's hear it for our pilots. They got a picture of it. It's so beautiful. It looks like we have another pilot who's standing up to be a part of the glow show. This is Cindy Heinrich with Chromatica. Welcome to Cindy from Reno, all the way from Reno. You're really recording. well with Mike. He and his wife Patty grew their business in Regal News, including the only wheelchair accessible balloon basket in the U.S. Mike sold business in 2015 and he retired, quote unquote retired in Bend, Oregon. Now he's back in Sonoma County, super close to friends, and live locally in a balloon that's been at the Sonoma County Boulder Classic for many years. Sonoma Star.
There's more here. There's 3 more here. That's a lot. It's like more than half already, right?
exclusive downtown